Hey there, welcome to our guide on the best Ninja blender for smoothies, soups, and more. These Ninja blender reviews will cover absolutely everything you need to know about buying the right Ninja blender for your culinary needs. Along with my colleagues, I've spent hours researching Ninja blenders so that I can give you the exact pros and cons of each of these 5 amazing appliances. You'll find the links to each of them in the description below. The number 5 product on my list is the Ninja BL610 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender, which I rate as one of the best Ninja blenders for single-serve smoothies. We think this blender is a solid pick for its powerful performance and ease of use, perfect for daily smoothies and frozen concoctions. Ever since we got our hands on the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro, we've been impressed by its power and efficiency, which I wasn't expecting given its small size. With the touch of a button, this 1100 watt dynamo whips up the creamiest smoothies, churning ice and frozen fruits into snow with its Pro Extractor blades. Its Auto IQ technology is like having a blending whiz right there in the kitchen, taking all the guesswork out of the process. It really is the best Ninja blender for ice that you can get your hands on. Add in the nutrient extraction capabilities for healthy smoothies and the compact, convenient design, and you can see why the Ninja BL401 is a top-rated Ninja blender among health-conscious people. When we're ready to dash out the door, the convenience of the to-go lids and 24-ounce blending jar comes in real big handy. No need to transfer our smoothies to another cup. The Ninja makes it so easy to blend and head right out. Plus, it's reassuring to know that when you're done, the cleanup is a breeze since everything is dishwasher safe. However, it's worth mentioning that this powerful machine doesn't shy away from making its presence known. It's quite the noisy gadget. While it's certainly not a deal breaker, you might not want to run it when others are sleeping. Also, those who love making large batches might find the max fill line a bit restrictive for bigger blends. But despite these quirks, we've become quite the fans of this Ninja, especially for when we're on the road. So the pros are that it effortlessly powers through ice and tough ingredients thanks to its powerful 1100 peak watt motor. Also, the 2 smart programs, one for smoothies and one for crushing ice, automate the blending process and get great results every time. And of course, the convenient single-serve cups with to-go lids are great for busy lifestyles. It's definitely the best Ninja personal blender that I've come across. Now for cons, it can be quite loud during operation, but that's a fairly typical trade-off with powerful blenders like the Ninja Nutri Pro. Also, if you're looking for a larger countertop blender, the Ninja BL401 probably isn't right for you because the blending jar is limited to 24 ounces. Taking the number 4 spot on my list of Ninja blender reviews is the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, which is ideal for both large smoothie batches and crushing ice. After recently giving the Ninja Professional Blender a spin, I was impressed by its sheer blending might. The 1000 watt motor doesn't play around. It takes on ice like a champ, turning it into snow-like consistency in practically no time. And when it comes to fruits and veggies, the Ninja BL610 is a star performer as well. It honestly does a better job than many of the higher-end blenders out there. I can really see why they're calling it the Ninja Professional Blender. Whipping up treats for friends and family is a breeze with the 72-ounce pitcher. And despite its size, pouring and cleaning pose no trouble whatsoever. And we can't forget about safety. It's nice to know that the pitcher is BPA free, letting us blend to our heart's content without any worries. As for drawbacks, one thing we've noticed is the noise level. This blender means business, and it's not shy about it. If you're blending early in the morning or late at night, be mindful of the ruckus. Also, given its robust build, those with limited counter space might need to make some room. But despite these minor setbacks, the Ninja Professional Blender has earned its spot as a top contender in our kitchen. So, the pros are that it decimates ice and blends ingredients swiftly thanks to its professional level power, courtesy of the 1000 watt motor. Also, the ample 72-ounce pitcher capacity suits large batches, meaning you'll never feel restricted when making smoothies or frozen drinks. And finally, as I said in my Ninja Professional Blender 1000 review, it has a BPA-free pitcher with stress-free cleanup. As for the cons, it's pretty loud during operation, but given the power on offer here, I think the trade-off is worth it. Also, it's a somewhat bulky blender, so if you have, a smaller kitchen, then you might be better off with a personal Ninja blender instead. Finally, and this isn't really a negative per se, but the blades are extremely sharp, so they naturally require careful handling. Checking in at number 3 is the versatile Ninja HB150C Foodi Heat IQ blender, which is the best Ninja blender for soups, dips, and sauces. First things first. Using the Ninja Foodi blender with Heat IQ feels like a game changer when it comes to meal preps and drink making. We've blended up morning smoothies and they turn out perfectly smooth every time, thanks to that high-speed blade zipping through ice like it's nothing. Not to mention chocolate drizzled desserts and spice-infused drinks make it clear the 800-watt heating element isn't just a gimmick, it actually brings new dimensions to your creations. I mean, to think that 1 minute you can be making a steaming hot soup, and then, after a quick wash, you can be whipping up a smoothie for dessert. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. Now, when it comes to cleanup, we've found that its dedicated cleaning cycle seriously minimizes the hassle. Although, we must admit the fixed blade situation does add a few extra moments of caution during a manual wash. And while we're being honest, we have to point out that this blender doesn't whisper, it roars. But given the power it packs, that's a small trade-off for efficiency. Overall, from crafting velvety soups to chilling with a frozen daiquiri, the Ninja Foodi blender has been a trustworthy sidekick in our kitchen adventures. Its auto IQ programs mean even our most inexperienced friends can come over and whip up something without a hitch. We get phenomenally mixed drinks, prepped ingredients for cooking, and don't even get us started on the hot chocolate it churns out. Yes, it might be a bit of a countertop hog and could be quieter, but at the end of the day, its performance more than makes up for these minor inconveniences. So, the pros are the versatile cooking and blending functions, making this far more than just a blender. Also, I love the powerful crushing ability for ice and frozen fruit, which comes courtesy of the 1400-watt motor. And even though the Ninja Foodi blender is really powerful, it's also super easy to use with its 12 preset auto IQ programs. So no matter what kind of concoction you want to create, this top Ninja blender has you covered. Now, that said, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Due to the powerful 1400-watt motor, it's a bit louder during operation than some might expect, but nothing that my ears couldn't tolerate. Also, the somewhat bulky design might take up considerable counter space, but honestly, it feels sturdy rather than bulky, if you ask me, and that's definitely a good thing for durability. Now, for the runner-up, and it was a close call, let me tell you, we think you'll love the Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker for its versatility and power, making it a worthy addition to any kitchen. It's definitely the best Ninja smoothie blender that I've come across. After recently putting the Ninja Foodi Smoothie Maker to the test, we've got to say, this gadget is a kitchen powerhouse. Despite tossing in heaping scoops of frozen fruit and a little yogurt, this blender gave us smooth, spoonable smoothie bowls in no time. The built-in tamper really does its job well, keeping things moving and avoiding any air pockets that can stop other blenders in their tracks. Not just for smoothies, the extractor feature came in handy for healthier treats, pulling every last drop of nutrients out of fruits and veggies. We were able to make a variety of spreads and even nut butters, thanks to the diverse functions. One of the standout features, the Auto IQ technology, elevates the blending experience. It's as if the Ninja knows just when to pulse and when to blend, taking the guesswork out of making the perfect smoothie or spread. The convenience of one-touch programs combined with the easy cleanup, thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts, shaves off minutes of prep and cleanup, allowing us more time to enjoy our culinary creations. For those with a keen eye for design, this machine scores points for its sleek silver color and compact footprint. It neatly fits under upper cabinets, and the to-go 24-ounce cups make it a breeze to take your drinks on the run. Now for the pros, the Ninja SS1001 Foodi Smoothie Maker handles frozen ingredients with ease and creates smooth, delicious smoothies and smoothie bowls every single time. Also, this handy little kitchen gadget simplifies the blending process with its Auto IQ technology. So whether you want to make smoothies, sauces, or extract nutrients, this powerful little Ninja blender can do it all. Also, the compact design saves counter space, so it's ideal for both smaller kitchens and on-the-go lifestyles. As for the very minor cons, like most good blenders these days, the Ninja SS1001 Foodi Smoothie Maker can be noisy during operation. Also, the 24-ounce cups, while perfectly portable, may be too small for some people. If this is the case for you, then you'll love what I'm about to show you next. So, what is the best Ninja blender on the market? Given its sheer power and versatility, we think the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a true workhorse, and it's a worthy investment for those who love a multifunctional kitchen gadget. Having put the Ninja Mega Kitchen System to the test, we were impressed by how swiftly it turns ice into fluffy snow, a game changer for frozen drinks and smoothies. The muscle behind this 1500-watt machine is evident in how it effortlessly mixes up dough, making bread-making sessions a piece of cake. What also stood out was the on-the-go cups. They're a blessing for early starts. Just blend, slip on a lid, and you're out the door with a nutrient-packed breakfast in hand. It's like having your personal smoothie bar at the ready. So, if you don't want to choose between blending and food processing, or between large and small pitches, the Mega Kitchen System is definitely the best Ninja blender to buy. However, if kitchen space is at a premium, you might find it's a bit of a commitment on your countertop. Plus, when you get down to hand washing, extra care is a must. Those blades are sharp. But if you're good with these minor trade-offs, this blender is a culinary powerhouse waiting to up your kitchen game. So, as you would expect, the pros are that it turns ice into snow in seconds. Also, it handles dough making with ease, which is a great bonus to have with a blender. And finally, the portable cups for drinks on the go are super convenient. So, you get both a 72-ounce pitcher and smaller travel cups, which shows just how versatile this blender really is. So, the only real con is that the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, as the name suggests, occupies significant counter space compared to personal blenders. So, now that you know the 5 best Ninja blenders, it's time to pick the product that's right for you. Again, you'll find the links to the latest prices for each of these products in the description box below. I really appreciate you watching today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you found these Ninja blender reviews in any way helpful. Have a great day.